Alright, so sixth property now, componendo and dividendo. We have already discussed componendo separately, we have discussed dividendo separately. Now we shall combine them. Now what does componendo and dividendo say? If we have a by b is equal to c by d, then by componendo and dividendo you will have a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. So this is an extremely important property. So let's try the proof for this one now. So the proof for componendo and dividendo. So what is given? A by b is equal to c by d. So if I apply componendo here, we'll have a plus b by b is equal to c plus d by d. This I'll get if I apply the property of componendo. Again, if I take the ratio or the proportion a by b equal to c by d, and if I apply dividendo here, a minus b by b is equal to c minus d by d. This I'll get if I apply the property of dividendo, isn't it? So let's call it equation 1 and let's call it equation 2. Pause the video here, write down the equations in your copy, because now I am going to divide equation 1 by equation 2. Alright. So if I divide equation 1 by equation 2, in the left hand side I will have a plus b by b divided by a minus b by b. In the right hand side I will have c plus d by d divided by c minus d by d. Now here I can cancel this b and b, here I can cancel this d and d, so I will be left with a plus b by a minus b is equal to c plus d by c minus d. So this is the expression for componendo and dividendo, isn't it? The proof is slightly complicated. Please try to understand it by going through the video again and again. Now let's try to understand this one taking the help of an example. Suppose you have a proportion, suppose you have a 2 by 3 is equal to 4 by 6. So if I apply componendo and dividendo, then a plus b, so 2 plus 3 by a minus b, 2 minus 3 is equal to c plus d, so 4 plus 6 by c minus d, that is 4 minus 6. That means 2 plus 3 by minus 1 is equal to 10 by minus 2, isn't it? This is how we are going to apply componendo and dividendo. In the next video, we shall begin the explanation for exercise